How soon after conflict is finished can revenge be set aside for compromise? Can other countries offer viable reconciliation models to Libya? And what are the legal parameters for such a process? A conference in Tripoli organized by the Ministry of Justice and the United Nations sought to answer these questions by bringing together judges with civil society and government officials.
The national reconciliation in Libya is essential in the context of moving from the revolution stage to the building of the state of the rule of law. We cannot move in that direction without ensuring that the process of transitional justice is fully implemented. We have to put in place the judicial aspects, the law enforcement aspects, the investigation aspects for this process. We have to ensure that victims are compensated. We have to ensure that national reconciliation goes hand in hand with the process of transitional justice.
In between the speeches, complaints and testimonies of human suffering bubble up from the audience.
أخذوه وضربوه وكذلك لتفوا لحيته وأظافره أخذوهم بالبينسة بعد ذلك ضربوه ضرب مبرح ثم وضعوه في المستشفى ووضعوا عليه مجهول الهوية.
A draft reconciliation law has been prepared. The big question is how much will be forgiven and forgotten.
It is an essential element to identify who killed who. In the case of those massive crimes and in the case of regime crime, it requires to look beyond the individual and try to identify the group or the institution that was responsible for the crimes committed.
At the conference's end, recommendations are adopted to engage with civil society more and establish and train a task force to oversee the transitional process.
The cornerstone of the reconciliation is there, and there is the common consensus, surely is a very positive sign towards a guarantee of a successful reconciliation process.